I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry. Psych, I'm just playing. This is me pulling the branches out of the tree. And also me putting the balls on the tree. I got these balls last year from Hobby Lobby. I waited after Christmas to get the discount. I don't know if they would have too much of a discount this year because they said that it was because of the pandemic, it's not going to be as many Christmas ornaments afterwards. The ornaments actually is already gone if you go into the shops now. So pretty sure the Christmas deals are going to be dead. But I got these last year for a good deal because I wanted to do black and white. I love black and white. So I was able to still use 8 balls because I have other items that I put on the tree. So the balls were not the main items that I put on the tree. I did not put any balls in the back of the tree because nobody would see the back of the tree. And majority of the balls I put inside of the tree. So I put them closer to the inside instead of the outside because it's more decor that I'm adding to the tree. And also this tree is a pre-lit tree that I got from I think it was Walmart one Black Friday. And I don't know, I probably would keep this tree for as long as I can because I love the fact that I could just press my foot down on it and change the lights. I really don't like colorful lights. I hate colorful lights actually. But maybe when I have my little one, I probably would like colorful lights because they probably will love colorful lights. But I think they're tacky, me personally. But no shade, no tea. But just watch me work and put the balls on the tree for now. And then I'll show you when I put my leaves, which is right here, that I got from Dollar Tree, of course. And I think I got about 6 of them. And I got some white flowers as well. And I also stuck those, majority of those inside of the tree as well. So that you can't really see the branches, but you can still see the leaves portion come out a little bit. And then I have the flowers as well that I did the same thing with. And then I have my glitter sticks. I got a lot of ornaments. I got a lot of items that I could put in the tree just so it can have different dimensions. I just love different dimensions on my Christmas tree. But I got majority of my flowers I got from Dollar Tree. And I got probably about 6 of each. So here's the flowers I got from Dollar Tree. And I don't know if I got 6 of these. When I look back at it, it looks like it's more than 6. But, those are full a little bit. So I probably did get 6. But I thought I got 6 of each one because I got like 3 sets of flowers. And once I start putting them in the tree, that's when I start seeing a difference. So I feel like whatever tree or whatever color you do, you should definitely stop by Dollar Tree and get you some of these flowers to put in your tree so that you can kind of add a little bit more dimension and you can see the difference really in the tree. It gives it a little fullness and it also gives it a little better decor to add it to the tree because it's not just the flower, it's also acorns and it's like some cherries that's added into it as well. So the red didn't throw it off, it still brought it together good. So last year, when it was after Christmas and I got the deals, they had these balls on sale and they was like, be like 60% off, 70% off. I was mad at first when I looked in the garage and I seen that I had only bought 1 ball because I wasn't for sure if I was going to do black and white, but I just knew black and white would still go with anything just in case. But I'm still satisfied with the 1 ball. So I went back to Hobby Lobby this year and they had a 50% off on our small ornament. And they had 50% off on these sticks right here. So I got these long sticks, which really goes in a vase that you can use in your home. But I put it actually in the tree and it worked out perfect. it gave it, when I mentioned dimension, this is what I'm talking about. Like, it gave it so much dimension. I loved it when I put the sticks in there. My tree just came together so good. The only thing I hate about it is the glitter gets everywhere. I literally had to shake the glitter off like all night. And also I got my wrap around, my wrap. I got that at Hobby Lobby as well. It wasn't really a good discount, but whatever. I always put every season, every month, if it's spring, anything, I always put my stickers that I get from Dollar Tree, from Dollar Tree on the fridge, just to get in the season. I have candles, and we put the lights outside as well that I got from Walmart. I got this wreath from Dollar Tree that I just wrapped around our poles outside. And I got that tree from Hobby Lobby. First, we didn't have a cord to put outside. We had to take that cord up, go to Lowe's, and get a bunch of these plugins. And me and my mom, we took the outdoor cord because that cord was for the indoor. We went and got an outdoor cord that was like $6.99. And we plugged them all together. I think we got like 2 of the red ones, and then we got 1 or 2 of the cords, I think. And it actually helped. It was perfect. It didn't look too messy out there anymore, so that worked out perfect. I got this mat from Hobby Lobby, and my mat they go in the back up under from Hobby Lobby as well, and that was 50% off. But I hope you guys loved my tree and my decor, and Merry Christmas, guys. Happy New Year's. I hope you guys enjoy your family, and I love Christmas, so I will be enjoying my family, and we will have the best time. If I have time, I'll record. Thanks for watching.